Hello, welcome. My name is Obeng Darko. Welcome. I want to share with you entrepreneurship as a career. Entrepreneurship as a career. Please share the channel with your friends and with people you know, especially the young ones in Africa, those who have completed school and who want to do something with their lives. You know, when you go through school, especially, the higher education, the university people, if you didn't go any, you have no other option than to start a farm or come to the city, start to sell something on your head, or go to the market, do something, become a goro boy, because that's what is available for most of us. If you don't have much and you don't have much support from any family. But those who also went to school, the thing is that when you went to school, you have a degree in whatever area, and you don't have a family which is financially stable, or which are family that has some connections somewhere, you are going to fight through the job market to try to find something that you think is worth the school that he went to. And most of us, the school that we went to, they just push us to become people who are just looking for job. So school will not train you so much to come out and start business. As a matter of fact, we think that those who start to sell something on their head, or go to the market, or start to develop a product, or start a farm or something, we think that is because they didn't get any job. So government will start something and employ a lot of graduates. So we have a situation where we are producing a lot of students, a lot of graduates, and the number of jobs that we are creating and the number of students that we are producing, they don't really match. We are producing a lot of students, and I'm for that. We have to produce a lot of higher education graduates. I'm for that. We don't have to go to school to get a job. We just have to make sure that they are given the skill, especially expanded mind. They can read, they can understand, they can think well, they can solve problems. So I'm for that. Even no matter what course that you read in school, I am for courses that will help you to think on your feet and solve problems. But even that, in the absence of those, going for degree is important, because you never know where you end up. So I'm for that. But at the same time, the next step is, where do I go with this degree? And I'm saying that if you consider to start a business, see it as legitimate, see it as a career path, and be confident and proud of it. You're going to go through a lot of pressure, a lot of difficulties, but don't bow your head in shame. There will be a lot of questions from the people who know you, friends, family, parents, especially when they have paid the school fees for you, when they paid the school fees for you, and maybe you completed, and now you have been at home after national service 3 years, and they say that you don't have a job, and it's the problem for the whole family. They are trying to, and you can see it when you go through town, you talk to a lot of people. Sometimes when you even post jobs, you get a lot of applications. So this is a rare issue, but I think that the solution lies with us. Don't wait for anybody. If you push and you're not getting, start something. Start a business, start to sell something. Don't be so much proud to say that, me, I have a degree, I can't start anything. You can start to sell something, even if it's cassava, even if it's a kelewele, whatever that somebody is producing that you can sell. It's good, look for it and sell, because that's where businesses are developed. The big corporations that you're looking for, that you go there and this is a receptionist, this is a big brand, they all started by somebody who thought against the norm. So think of that. And parents should be proud when their children start something. Your young person, your son, your daughter, when they start to sell something. Young girls are start selling things, maybe in the market or on their phone, using WhatsApp, using YouTube, using Facebook. And sometimes family people who will not help you will still be saying that we are school when they will be laughing at you. But with time, if you give that child, that son, that daughter support, and you push them, something will come out of that business. Even if they fail with the first one, even if they fail with the second one. And what I've seen is that there is not much support from parents. Some parents can give you money to expand your business. Some parents can give you a place to build, to have as an office. Some parents can give you a car. Some parents can give you a lot of network. But the setting is that you should go and get a multinational job with car, with house help, traveling everywhere in the world, and then you're seen as successful, or getting a government position, and things like that. So I'm talking about entrepreneurship as a career. I remember when I did internship in one of the engineering workshops, and anytime I was going there, I was not happy because I saw the engineers there, and I was like, no, this is not what I want to become. But then I didn't know what to do as well. Where was the network? Where were the parents to push you? And sometimes the path to start is crazy. You will have to go to the market and pick a product and maybe see how you can sell it. You have what they call school, but if you put this certificate, a lot of people hide behind their certificate, they hide their ignorance behind their certificate. There are a lot of things that most people who have gone to school don't know. But because of the certificate, we hardly will come down to say that this one I don't know, I want to go through and learn. And those who have the humility to go through all these stages, go through Makola, go through Edum, go through Techima Market, go and look at what you can pick and sell. Because out of that, or look at the product, service that you can render. Can you start maybe a poultry farm? Can you start a farm? Whatever you can do. Because anything that you can package and that the market needs, if you are studious, if you learn, and if you work hard, and if you continue to upgrade yourself, that then will become a business that will pay you far more than any other job that you ever wish could pay you. So it's a legitimate cause for you to start a business. You just have to be proud of it. When we started, I did a business card. I registered a business. Tried to build a website. Later, Facebook came. Some of them, even if you are not doing anything, just be proud of the fact that you've been able to put your thoughts together to start something. Sometimes that's the only option left. Sometimes that is the only option left, and so you must as well be proud of it. What you eat, eat the dream. Eat the dream. Push yourself, especially when you don't have a lot of loads on you. Maybe you're just a single guy, you have no much, you don't have a lot of burden on you financially. Feed on your dream. Believe so much. Your reality must become what you see building. What you're building should become your reality. Don't get up and feel sad that you don't have a job when you can start something on your own. And when you start that thing, be proud of it. Be so much happy that you'll be able to put your thoughts together and you're doing this. Tomorrow you see one city, the next day you two. And when you start like that, also make sure you build the right relationship. Because a lot of the times when you start a business and all your guys are people with a lot of jobs, and you feel like you're a failure. Because they come with salary, they are always not hungry, they have car, they have nice apartment, and you are still living in maybe some one bedroom somewhere, the thing is not working, you're frustrated. Build a network of people who are also going through the same thing, who are also building the same thing, and even have grown-ups who have built businesses, people who have gone through that. Create that kind of association. Build virtual networks. Join organizations that are feeding you with business skills, with financial knowledge, with product, with network, with connections. Because that out of that environment that you create will be the success that you will see. So entrepreneurship is a legitimate career path. You can build your business, and all the businesses that we see, they were started by people like you. Sometimes you just have to be they will have to consider you as a smart person a lot of the times, because you want to start something and nobody agrees with you, and you see sometimes it doesn't even make sense to you yourself, but you still have to do something. So my name is Kwabena Darko. I'm talking about entrepreneurship as a business part for you, as a career. In Africa, I would say that in Africa, when you're a graduate, you have pushed and nobody's getting you anything. Start a business, start something, start to sell something, start to sell a service. Join hands together with your friend, with your family, with somebody else, and start to push something out. Package it well. Anything that people are ready to pay you for, that the government will not say is illegal, go in for it and be so proud to do it and continue to create an environment where this thing will spread. And parents, support these sons and daughters of yours when they start business, because the reality is that not many jobs are being created as we think. Jobs are a product of industrialization, people building businesses. So if not many people are building a lot of businesses and you are churning out a lot of these graduates, then you will see that they will not match. So maybe you are producing 100,000 graduates, but maybe the jobs that you are creating, they are in maybe 10,000, which means you have a lot of them coming out every year, fighting for the same slow pace of job creation. You know, when the government set up this NAPCO or something like that, did you see how many graduates went there to look for jobs? Which means that is heat. And I can tell you, if you complete school and you're at home and you don't have anything to do, it's hectic, it's frustrating. And that's why sometimes you would have to just look for visa and, you know, go somewhere and say that you never want to come back to Ghana again because you have seen a lot. But there is no requirement for entrepreneurship. There's no entry point. There's no entrance exams. You know, I remember when we were going to university, they said that we should write entrance exam. This one, there's no entrance exam. There's no age limit. So long as you have a willing heart, you're ready to work hard, and you're ready to go and push yourself, there is an opportunity. And I can say that if you continue to push, there will always be an opening somewhere for you. So if you're an African youth, use technology. Use technology. Now it's easier. Use technology to sell the talent that you have, the product that you have, the ideas that you have, and make sure that you become very credible as a person. Become honest, become straightforward, build network, look for quality people to associate with, and never play fast on people. When anybody opens a door for you, be thankful and be grateful, and make sure that that door is still open. Don't trick people. Don't think that you are smart. You know, because what I've seen is that people who have always tried to be smart, try to trick and go faster and don't follow the rules, and they think that they can just cheat anybody, they're always late. But if you build that credibility, that people trust you, people believe in you, people can count on you, those are the things that will keep you going when everybody else stop going. So my name is Kwabena Darko. I'm saying entrepreneurship as a career path. For you as a career path, for you as a young African person, graduate. Those of us who didn't go to school don't have any problem at all. JSS especially, they just have one option, is to